All right, so Haley just had her birthday, and we just opened a lot of her presents, and these are just some of the Animal Jam ones that we wanted to do. Since the other presents were not Animal Jams, we're just going to show you the ones that are. Haley already started to open this one, so she's going to show you what's in it, and then the other ones we have not seen yet. So let's go ahead and show what we got in the green one. Something fall?
Yeah.
Okay.
This butterfly looking thing. Like hair on it. That thing. And whatever this is. Wait.
Let's see.
Wait, you want to hold it?
Let me put it in my hand so maybe we can see it better.
And then it has this little thing that can go on the little rocket ship thing that can go on its back.
Oh, so like it's like a flower? Yeah.
And this thing
And a butterfly.
can go on its back. Like this, like, you know. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. And then this one.
Good one. What?
What?
Oh, it looked like you were trying to hide it.
No, I'm not sure. Oh, it's a turtle or something. Looks like a turtle. Whatever this is. I'm not sure what that is.
Is it like a bowl, maybe?
I don't know. We have a little turtle. And it has a little bow on it.
Oh, that one's cute. I like this one because it's bigger.
And then I was just,
Is that a bowl maybe for it then?
what?
Do you think this is a bowl for it?
I'm not sure what that is.
I mean,
Probably. I'm like thinking.
what is that, stickers or something that you have in your hand?
It's this.
Yeah.
This is it's a code for the game.
I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a bowl? I don't know.
This is a code for the game. To decode. No, it's not right.
What'd you get?
500 gems. But once you get that, you have this dude right here. Okay. Looks like this is when I got a foreign. Okay. Semi. Next one is this orange one, I guess. I can open this. Got it. Well, sort of. There you go. This one is. Let me see what's in it. A weird colored fox, I think.
Oh, is it a fox? Let me see.
It's a fox. I think it's a fox.
Oh, it's cuter. It's cuter than the other one. I like it.
It has this other same thing that's green, like you said it was bow.
So I think it is a bowl.
Oh, look, it has a little
Butterfly. Oh, that's cute.
I want to enter the code now.
So you could probably switch them, huh? Like if you wanted to put the other, like the rocket thingy on that one or something.
Yes, but I'm gonna enter the code again. Enter another code. And I have 2,000 gems.
And then what do you get for that?
It was these. 4 of them.
Okay.
Let's see what you got. Okay. Now, go for the next one. I can't. Okay. Well, stuck. Okay. Another turtle.
Another turtle.
Another turtle.
Is it different from the other one?
And this is the other one.
Oh yeah.
This has this thing again.
I think that's a bowl. I'm not sure. It's the only thing I can think.
Accessory. It has wings. Yeah.
was just thinking that maybe those things are. I don't know. I guess
Do you
they're.
think it goes in here?
Well, I was just thinking maybe because it says that these are stackable on the little paper. It says that something about stacking them.
Like this maybe. No. Guys,
Okay, yeah. Maybe.
need to enter the code in now. Okay, I'm just gonna put it as 500 gems. Then another put in the line thing. Is it because of? Oh, I think it's because if you get 5 of them, then you get like another gift. But okay, but now we have these two. These other two.
So, out of all of these, which one did you like the best?
This one. Yeah.
The fox, yeah. The fox is the
It's
cutest.
cute one.
What house do you like the best?
The blue one.
Did this one come in the blue one?
I think it came in the orange one.
Oh. Alright. Well, that was cute. I liked the fox one too, but I didn't really care for these. I don't know if
I
they're
don't know what these are.
I don't know if they're bowls, but I kind of feel like maybe they're supposed to be like helpful to building the house or something.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Are they stands?
No, they're not. They fall easily.
So yeah, I don't really know what those are for. Maybe we could figure out later on.
Yeah.
Alright, well, that was fun. We'll open up these next.
See what looks good.